Google Drive is a powerful tool for small businesses in 2025, helping teams stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and manage documents securely in the cloud. One of the biggest advantages for small business owners is accessibility. Files stored in Google Drive can be accessed from any device, anywhere, making it easy for employees to work remotely or on the go. This flexibility ensures that important business documents, contracts, and reports are always within reach. Collaboration is another key benefit. Google Drive integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, allowing team members to work on documents simultaneously. Permissions can be set for viewing, commenting, or editing, and the At Mention feature makes notifying colleagues simple. Version history keeps track of changes, so teams can revert to previous versions if needed, making collaboration smooth and error-free. Organization is critical for small businesses, and Google Drive offers multiple tools to maintain it. You can create folders for different projects, clients, or departments, color code them for quick identification, and star frequently used files for easy access. Its search functionality allows you to locate files quickly by name, type, owner, or even keywords within documents. This helps small businesses avoid wasted time searching for critical files. Security is another advantage for small business users. Google Drive provides two-factor authentication, encrypted storage, and controlled sharing options, ensuring sensitive business data stays protected. Offline access is also available, enabling employees to continue working without an internet connection. Additionally, integrations with third-party tools like Slack, Trello, and Zoom can further streamline workflows and boost productivity. By leveraging Google Drive effectively, small businesses can centralize their document management, improve collaboration, and maintain organization across teams, making it an essential tool for growth and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Google Drive, productivity tools, and strategies to help your small business work smarter in 2025.